Hey everyone, I'm hoping this is a BetaFPV unboxing. Yeah! Mama. Yes it is. Yes it is. We got our BetaFPV stuff. We got some little frames. Just in time because my HD 0, this happened, so we're transferring this now. We're gonna put the HD 0 onto one of the 35mm boards. It's gonna be all nice and pink, girly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do we got? Let's see what we got. They sent me a replacement, one of these, that doesn't have the tower on it. This is the new all-in-one, so this will hopefully be good. We're actually we'll weigh that. I think that this thing weighs less, so whatever. So we got a new flight controller. Thank you, BetaFPV, for sorting things out. And we got these guys. That, don't need that. We got some batteries. So we're going to be trying out the 2.0. I have the, what do I have? I have the G&B 380s, and they're about 8 grams. Now I'm going to have some of these. So I wanted to test the 2.0 against the G&Bs, even though I know that the BetaFPV batteries apparently are not as good. But these are like the newer ones, so who knows, they might be better. Tell me, are they 8 grams? 822. 822. Now let's just see. This is a 300, this is a 380. Ooh, so this weighs, the 380 weighs less than the 300. So we'll have to compare these. That's a 0.2 grams more. Yeah. And that's not even 8 grams. But I've been using these, and they've been, well, I haven't even been using this. I gotta do some changes, so it'll all be done on live streams. I'd like to make like videos and put a bigger effort, but I got so much stuff going on, so live streams makes it easier. And then if you really want to learn or see something, we'll do it there. It's so cute. Okay, so we got a little charger now for these. Oh, nice. So it shows you. It actually shows you. Nice. I do like that. That'll make things easy just for charging a couple packs, and it does come with 2. So this is what comes inside the Beta Pro whatever. You get some of those. So we got a lot of batteries. We got a cute little, it's so cute. I do think these are very cute. Soft. The frame is soft. So I guess we'll fly this and do a little tester of this. See how that is. Camera looks a little bigger. The new camera maybe. Guess I wonder if it comes with, I think it comes with an extra set of props. Charging cord, and that is our little BetaFPV unboxing. Subscribe and you'll be able to see like the building and all that other fun stuff. This container is serious. Like the packaging actually seems, that's interesting, because this feels like it's stiffer than this. Is it the same? Okay.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!